Hi guys! Familiar ba kayo sa treasury bills, treasury notes, and treasury bonds? Naririnig nyo ba sila? Ito yung mga uri ng utang na ibinibigay ng government sa isang bansa. Pero ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba nilang tatlo? When we say treasury bills or yung T-bills, is never trade at a premium. Ibinibigay siya palagi at discounted price. So, ito yung may pinakamaikling term ng maturity period. Karaniwan kasi, 13 to 26 or until 52 weeks lang siya. In terms of interest naman, wala itong regular na interest payments and ipinapadala yung kita kapag yung T-bill ay nabid or nasold na ng mas mababang halaga kaysa sa face value neto. Yung difference kasi between face value and purchase price is considered the interest earned o yung tinatawag na kita. However, si treasury notes naman, medium term siya dahil 2 to 10 years yung maturity period neto. Unlike kay treasury bills, si T-notes can offer a regular interest or can provide a coupon payment like corporate bonds in every 6 months. And si treasury bonds or si T-bonds, halos same lang sila ni treasury notes. However, the maturity date is over 10 years. So, to summarize, si T-bills, maikli lang yung term niya. Walang regular interest at ibinebenta sa discount. Si T-notes, medium term at may regular interest payment. And si T-bonds, merong long-term at may regular interest payment. All in all, lahat ng ito ay tinuturing na safe investment dahil suportado ito ng government.